In December of 2018, the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office issued a number of seemingly out-of-this-world patents to the Navy for a hybrid aerospace undersea craft capable of extreme speeds in both water, the air, and in outer space. A true transmedium military platform. Technologies such as, quote, a high-temperature superconductor, a high-frequency gravitational electromagnetic wave generator, a force field like electromagnetic field generator, a plasma compression fusion device. This aerospace vehicle utilizing the mentioned components would be able to achieve truly extraordinary feats of speed and maneuverability in all three mediums of air, water, and space. This sounds eerily similar to some of the established 5 observables of UFOs encountered by Navy pilots in recent years. The ongoing disclosure of the Navy admitting its personnel regularly encounter UFOs keeps getting stranger. The technology contained within takes advantage of a quantum mechanics concept known as the Pace effect, manipulating quantum fluctuations present in the vacuum of empty space. The inventor, Dr. Salvatore Pais, worked on this project while employed by the Naval Air Warfare Center. Dr. Pais breaks down his transmedium craft down to 4 major components: an inner and outer wall, microwave emitters, and a technology called an inertial mass reduction device. The craft works, he says, by creating high-frequency electromagnetic waves throughout the cavity between the inner and outer walls, causing it to vibrate. This wall cavity will be filled with a noble gas. Dr. Pais states that if done correctly, the craft will interact with the empty space surrounding it, allow it to then behave anomalously. Quantum mechanics for years predicted that empty space is not at all empty, but filled with microscopic fluctuations. That is the fabric of reality, is filled with subatomic particles that blink in and out of existence, known as the Casimir force. It's this that Dr. Pais suggests can propel his craft. According to the Navy patents, in order to break this quantum vacuum energy, it details another patented device, a high-energy electromagnetic field generator. The field generator is encased in a shell made from a ceramic metamaterial. An electric motor contained within forces this metaceramic to spin. When spinning fast enough, this unique metamaterial will generate a strong electromagnetic field. These energy fields can engineer the fabric of our reality at the most fundamental level. While this technology may seem from the realm of science fiction, quantum mechanics does show, in theory, and with the required material sciences, this craft will work. Dr. Pais believes this plasma-lined hull, surrounded by an electromagnetic field, can achieve a state called macroscopic quantum coherence. Simply put, macroscopic quantum coherence is something we can observe that retains and exhibits very strange quantum-like phenomena. This effect can be observed with helium. When cooled to near absolute zero, it begins to do things that sound impossible. Leak right through a solid glass beaker, evaporate upwards against the force of gravity, and when stirred, it forms a vortex that will continue to rotate indefinitely. Dr. Pais suggests the craft itself can reach this exotic state. It's here we begin to cross over into truly anomalous UFO-type characteristics of quantum weirdness. Since interacting with vacuum, the craft will essentially be pulling particles out of vacuum, creating a void, allowing for smooth sailing through the void. All the main concepts mentioned, vacuum energy, macro quantum behavior, have been proven repeatedly in experiments. Consider this: if helium superfluidity behavior looks strange to you, imagine how a technological craft with these properties may look to an observer. Dr. Pais says in the patent that such a craft as his may need to be of triangular shape or cone in order to work. Such technology concepts does raise the question, could the Tic Tac have in fact been a Navy weapons platform test? Or was it truly anomalous, perhaps non-human technology at work? You be the judge.